Well, I'm here to talk to you about Project Payday. See, I've been looking for a work-at-home business for quite a long time, and I've done everything from, affiliate programs to selling ebooks on eBay to, GDI even, and nothing has really worked for me until now, until I came across Project Payday. And, one thing I'd like to say first off about the system is that it is so easy to do that, if you cannot make money with this, your very first night or even, your very first 3 days, if you cannot make money with this, then, I really don't know what to tell you, because it is just so incredibly easy to make money. Now in the program, they give you different options, right? Different steps that you can go to. And, you start off with the first one, and you can actually just do the first step of their program and still make a ton of money. But if you choose to go on to the next step, you'll be, doubling your money. Just yesterday, I got a payment in my PayPal account immediately right after I did the whole thing, right after the system. I got $120 in my PayPal account. A couple days ago, I think it was 4 days ago, I got $500 payment in my PayPal account. And just this morning, just today, so far, I have made $60 just to spend 5 minutes on the computer. And it is just, this program should be called, instead of Project Payday, I think it should be called the one program that actually works.